Hello everyone, welcome. In this video, I'm so excited to show you a brand new product I've just released, and if you have been struggling with Clipart prompts, this could be exactly what you need. Let's jump on in. So this is the ultimate Clipart prompt library that I've created. It does come with 175 done for you prompts, along with a full step-by-step clipart guide, as well as an editable template so you can start selling your clipart on Etsy or whatever platform you like. So I'll show you guys what it actually looks like. So this is a demo product, so just for the purposes of the video I have blanked out the information, but we do have these different tabs along the bottom here. So we've got cute animals, and I'll just go through each one so you can get an idea of what it actually looks like. We also have Little Dreams, which is kind of like nursery themed items. We've got Sweet Treats, Travel Adventures, and Enchanted Garden. So all of these prompts have been created. They are all different, so I haven't just repeated the same prompt over and over again. I've also tried to mix up the styles as well, and I'll show you guys how we actually use this. So with this product, it was designed specifically for Artistly, which is an AI generation tool. However, you can also use other AI apps as well. So all you do is choose an image that you would like to use. So for example, if you wanted to use this avocado over here, we will have the style displayed. So I'll just jump over to Artistly and I'll show you how to use it. So the tool I use for this is this AI Art Illustrator tool up the top here. And on the prompt library, it is going to show the style that I have used. So all you'll do is select the style, and then you can take this prompt here and copy and paste it into Artistly or your selected AI generator tool, and you can generate your image. Now just bear in mind that the image isn't going to be exactly like this one, and that's just because the AIs are usually trained not to generate the exact same image, but this is going to give you a great base to work from. I also like to edit my images to give it that really minimalist, clean kind of look, which I show you exactly how to do in my step-by-step clipart process guide. So you can use these prompts as much as you would like. You can regenerate them, you can use them within your own personal or commercial projects, or even sell the clip arts as packs. My whole goal was to help you save time because I know how much trial and error prompting can be. If you would like to check it out, I will be leaving the link down below. You can use the discount code YouTube15 for 15% off. I hope you like it as much as I've enjoyed creating it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.